Greetings, Summerlin Area Command. I'm your captain, Sasha Larkin, and welcome to the first edition of What's Happening at Summerlin Area Command. Today, I'm proud to come to you from the newly built Summerlin Area Command, located at 11301 Redpoint Drive. We are an easy commute from wherever you're coming, just off the 215. If you exit Far Hills and go west towards the mountains, the very first stoplight you see is called Carriage Hill. You'll go right or northbound on it. Come just a few blocks down the street, and on the right-hand side or the east side of the street, you'll see this beautiful building that I'm standing in front of that we are now proud to call home, Summerlin Area Command. This Area Command just finished being built. It was funded and built by the Howard Hughes Corporation because they knew how important it was to have an Area Command to oversee and take care of and really provide the best customer service for the residents of Summerlin Area Command and the surrounding area. If you're wondering, do you live in Summerlin? Will you be a part of this Area Command? Well, let me let you in on what the boundaries are. Starting in January 25th, the boundaries for Summerlin Area Command will start at Cheyenne. They will stretch all the way across the valley until they reach Warm Springs. And then they'll come down to Durango. At Sahara, they will jot down a little bit further east to Rainbow and then come back up at Lake Mead. It is a large Area Command, just over 70 square miles, which means we will be home to so many residents, businesses, schools, religious facilities, and each and every one of them, we're excited to have you be a part of this wonderful Summerlin community. When can you come see the station? I was hoping you would think that. Well, we're going to have a big First Tuesday and open house, Tuesday, February 4th. For those of you that know me, you know I love First Tuesday events. I love to open the doors of my station and have you all come in to meet our officers and hear about the heroic work they're doing and share whatever safety messages have come up. So join us and mark your calendars. Tuesday, February 4th. And we started earlier, 6 p.m., to try to get those of you with kids or want to get home early to give you a chance to come. So we hope to see you all for our grand opening and our very First Tuesday here in Summerlin on February 4th. We will open Summerlin Area Command on January 25th with a full complement of police officers, patrol detectives, investigators, civilian staff, and yes, we will have a front office open and ready to take your reports the very first day we open. We will follow the same schedule as the other 9 area commands in the valley. We'll be open Monday through Friday. We hope that you come up and see this beautiful space, look at the miraculous view that surrounds us, and see all the new officers and people that are excited to provide the ultimate customer service experience for you. That's all for today. I really appreciate your time. I hope that you all go into this holiday season and have a joyous, most wonderful time with your friends and family. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and remember Summerlin Area Command, excellence. It all starts with you.